What's going on? So today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Grandpa's Traffic Stop Spirals Out of Control. Come on, Grandpa. You too old now. Let's get into it. Let's see what they're talking about.
On August 24th, 2023, while on patrol, an officer observed a vehicle fail to come to a complete stop at a stop sign and conducted a traffic stop.
Hello, sir. How you doing? The only reason I'm pulling you over is when you came to a stop over there at Inman and Holt, there's a stop sign there. You got to make sure you're stopping at the stop sign. That's that little white line that's in the road. You just got to make sure you're stopping there, not past the stop bar. That's all.
Oh, okay, sir. My bad.
That's all right. Do you have your driver's license on you? Appreciate it. Do you have the registration as well?
Oh,
And insurance. Where are you heading to?
I'm finna head to the bus stop to pick up a friend.
Gotcha. Okay. You still live in Tarpon?
Yes.
Where are you coming from? If you don't mind me asking.
Over on Greenwood area.
Okay. That's the insurance?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Just the registration.
905 East Roman, stop at Woodbine Bay.
Well, you know what, Johnny? Why don't you do me a favor? Why don't you leave that? I'm gonna just ask you a couple questions if you don't mind. Do you mind stepping out here for a second, and we'll go over it, and I'll get you out of here. I can look at the registration. It's not a big deal, man. You can leave your paperwork. That's fine. You need your cane to walk, or you good?
That's good.
Gotcha. All right. We're just gonna go back over here for a second. All right. Is the car registered to you? I'll check it in a second. Gotcha. I appreciate it. So listen, the reason you want to come over here for a second? Appreciate it. If you need to lean on the car, do whatever you gotta do. Where are you coming from, specifically?
Over Greenwood area.
Yeah, what street? I know the answer to this question. I'm just seeing if you're being honest with me.
Over Lee?
You didn't come from LaSalle?
No.
You didn't come from LaSalle?
No, I was over there.
Okay.
Don't do that.
So Johnny, you got to be honest with me. I
Yeah,
feel like you're lying to me. I
problem.
feel like you're lying to me. What did you pick up when you were on LaSalle?
I ain't pick up nothing,
You
man.
didn't pick up
I'm
anything?
just sitting there.
So the only reason I asked you is because
we just
apparently
sit
an
there.
officer saw you do some type of hand-to-hand transaction over there. So
When?
on LaSalle. But you're saying you weren't on LaSalle, right?
Yeah, I was over there, but I sit in my car. I don't even get out my car.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay.
all
So
I do is sit there.
who met with you at the car?
Nobody met with me at the car.
Nobody?
No.
So the officer that saw all this is lying to me?
Yeah, please, man. Nobody meet me to my car.
I got you, okay. Listen, do you have anything on you or in you, no guns or weapons or anything like that, Johnny? Don't go in your pockets if you don't mind. Do you mind if I throw some gloves on, do a quick search here, make sure you got nothing on you?
God, please, man.
Sweetheart, don't go in your pocket,
Johnny.
please. No.
I don't have.
I know, but we don't want you to go in your pocket.
Stop going in your pockets.
What are you messing with? We're not doing this. Can you just try to eat it?
Did you have it in his mouth?
Yep, I think so. Yep, he's trying to eat it.
Johnny, just open
Let
it up.
out.
Stop.
Give it out.
Johnny, come on, bud. Open it.
I got him. Why are you pulling all this again, Johnny? It's underneath your car.
Man, God damn.
You're good. You're good. Same thing last time, Johnny.
Don't put them so tight.
Well, quit resisting.
Take it loose a little bit.
Are you serious? This is the same thing that happened last time with you.
Lean over, you're too old. I don't want you to get
Wow.
hurt. Lean over.
Oh,
You did this,
He's
Johnny.
fine.
We didn't do it. Sit up.
What's that, your uncle?
man.
Yeah, he needs to stop trying to swallow
Sorry,
drugs.
just over there.
I got it. I see it. Ridiculous. Johnny, we've been through this before.
Breathe for a second, buddy, before we stand you up. Just breathe.
Ridiculous.
Come on, man. What's that, man? What's that, man? Clearly you known for this. They watching you like a hawk. The lady said, come on, we went through this before already. And once you caught, you caught. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to swallow it, because that could be an excessive amount and you could end up, dying or anything, swallowing an excessive amount of drugs and stuff like that. Like, we seen that happen. I don't know if you guys know the rapper, what's his name? Juice WRLD. But Juice World, he was flying on a plane or whatever the case may be, and then they caught him, you know, or they had suspicion that he was doing drugs or whatever the case may be. And you already caught, you know what I'm saying? But he decided to swallow all the drugs, and that's how he died. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Like, once you caught, you know, just it is what it is. It's a ticket, but it's not worth, you know, risking your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, even if you older, you know what I'm saying? You lived a long life. You know what I'm saying? I hope one day I can make it to grandpa age here, but you don't want to have to cut your life short if you ain't got to. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. So, damn, that's crazy.
I don't know why you thought you could swallow that.
Johnny, where'd you think you were gonna run in the car? You could barely walk. You got it.
I think he has trial. I think flat out. I have trial for him.
I'll let you talk to him in a second, man. Just give me 1 second, all right?
30-25, man.
Ready, Johnny? I'm gonna stand you up. I'm gonna fix these cuffs. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit! Ah!
All right.
You did this. You're the only one that encountered this entire thing.
Yeah, but I don't understand.
What do you mean? What do you not understand?
I'm supposed to go to court.
Stand right here, face the car.
Straight out to 36 months.
Spread your feet for me, Johnny. I'm gonna fix these cuffs. I'll put a second pair on. Are you done now, Johnny?
Yeah.
Thank you. Stand right there for me. Face the car, please.
They know you real well.
You have court tomorrow, you said? That doesn't help. None of this helps anything, Johnny. Put your arms out just a little bit.
He thought he was still a young
Bend your feet a
buck.
little bit for me, boy.
He tried to swallow it and run. He could barely walk.
I'm gonna have you take a seat. Just put your right, take a seat and slide in. I gotta check your feet when you're done. Sit with your feet out. Yeah. Slide your right foot up.
What's your phone number, my dear?
Left foot. Let me go grab. You got sandals, right? All right, slide in. I'll be right back. Is the car actually yours or somebody else?
That's my car.
It is? Okay. I'll be right back.
A search of the interior driver's door panel yielded a cut straw with a white residue inside and another small baggie with a small amount of a white powder that tested for cocaine.
God damn.
Sorry, man.
That boy hooked on that white girl, huh? Not literally a white girl. White
You
girl.
have the right to remain
cocaine.
silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? What is it? Okay, having these rights in mind, you want to talk to me or no? Basically what just happened? You want? Okay. Well, unfortunately, with felony charges, you still go to jail. But do you want to talk to me about what happened or no?
What happened?
What?
What happened?
That's what I'm going to ask you. So, when was the last time you used?
Well,
When's the last time you used cocaine? Today?
today.
Okay. You just snort it and that's it? Okay. You're not injecting or any stupid stuff like that? And you snorted this morning or when? Just like literally just recently? What was that?
Yeah.
This morning?
Yeah.
Around what time? If you had approximate.
Huh?
Give me an approximate time.
Every day.
416. You just changed this to a drop. It's going to be a marshal.
Okay, so when I asked if I could search you, how come you went straight to your left pocket and tried to throw it in your...
Because I was dirty.
What was it?
I was dirty, that's why.
Alright, so you knew you had the cocaine in your pocket, so you... listen, I'm not upset about it. I just didn't want you to get hurt or something to happen over it. You know what I mean?
Everybody, get caught up shit like this here.
Yeah.
Home all in all, September the 1st, I'm supposed to turn myself in, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What car they see me go to?
The officer saw you when you came on to.
So that's what he must be talking about with the 36 months. So he said September the 1st, he's supposed to turn himself in, and he got to do 36 months or whatever. Because he kept saying 36 months earlier. And now he just said, September the 1st, he's supposed to turn himself in. So he trying to have a little fun, you know what I'm saying? He got to go do a little time, you know what I'm saying? So he got to go do a couple of years. So he's just trying to live out his last couple of days before he got to go up in that. And damn, to do 36 months at an old age like that is, I mean, to do it at any time is horrible. But, come on, man. Damn, you too old to be still doing all this. It's too old, man. Got to enjoy your freedom.
I can't tell you that. The officer saw you.
When I came on the woods, he saw me go to a car.
I'll call him and verify, but he basically followed you, and when you blew the stop sign, he told me, so I came over here and did the traffic stop. And he knew you were leaving, LaSalle. It wasn't a secret. He saw everything. That's why I wanted to give you your opportunity, and then you just kind of escalated everything. So,
what else could I have done?
No, I'm not blaming you. I just wish that we didn't have to do all this scuffle in the middle of the street. You know what I mean? And I get why you did it, but it's like, it's frustrating on our end sometimes,
Motherfucker out on bond, up and got to come in September 1st. They ain't gonna look good.
Did you?
What else I tried?
Did you try to eat it because you knew you were gonna get a bond?
Yeah, because I knew I wanted to come out. You know what I mean?
I got you.
Okay. What is that white line they talking about?
So in the stop line, like at every stop sign, there's a white line that's in the middle of the road. Specifically, I'm gonna call the officer and double check it. I told you earlier because he just told me and then I told you. He said like Ingman and something. So wherever you came off from Sound, then you cut through, right? Whatever that was. What is that, Douglas or something? Or you came around past the basketball courts right there. Apparently, whatever stop sign is over there. I guess he saw you. I mean, he was right behind you. So I'm gonna get with him and figure that out. But obviously, I do gotta give you the citation for the stop sign. Okay.
Man, he got bigger problems to worry about than that little ticket, that little stop sign ticket. But everybody has done it, come to a complete stop. Sometimes, you slow down, then you roll on through. We've all been guilty of that. Me and you been guilty of that. Nah, come on, I ain't the only one. You know what I'm saying? But when you've just done dirt or whatever the case may be, you really got to be on your P's and Q's, man, especially if they watching you like a hawk. You got caught, old timer. That's it. You'll be all right. We'll see you in a few years.
The baggies that you do have, there's so many different baggies in the way they're packaged. Is that just for personal use?
Huh?
The baggies that you do have, that's just for personal use?
Vehicle that had hid in the back of it, the van, pounding on the back of the window, sending help. I have a tag. I don't know where the vehicle is. It's in the North Betty area.
Okay, give me a second. I'll be right back. And you want somebody to come pick the car up, right? Let me see where that guy went.
You want to pick somebody up?
He coming back?
Ford F3.
He was charged with possession of cocaine, tampering with physical evidence related to drugs, possession of drug paraphernalia, and resisting an officer without violence. Share your thoughts in the comments.
Damn, old timer. Got caught out there, man. Got caught out there. They know you. You known in the town, man. That's it. They got eyes on you. But old timer, we gonna catch you in a few years, man, because you got them 36 months to do, and then you got this on top of it. They probably gonna give you an extra year or something like that. So yeah, we gonna have to catch you in a few years, man. God damn, 36 months, that's 3 years. Whoo-wee. Then another year for this, probably, oh man. Freedom, man. Gotta enjoy your freedom, man. But anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. Did a pretty good job. I give them 4 out of 5. Let me know how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.